What's up guys, and welcome to a new episode on Cake Defi. I haven't talked about them in a while, but they came out with a new product and I thought I'm gonna show you this real quick. So the new product is called Earn, and what's different compared to crypto lending or staking, you will find out in this video. Our first video on Cake was now almost 2 years ago. Yeah, I think in January it will be 2 years. And since then they have continued to improve the platform. And that's something I love to see. Not only do you get great rates on your crypto, now they have 5 different products for you to choose from. So let's find out how much you can get with the new Earn feature. But the first thing you have to do is download the app. You cannot access it from your computer. And in my opinion, this is a smart move if you want to make more people download your app. Okay, before I download it and show it to you on my phone, let me quickly tell you what the Earn product is all about. In very simple terms, it's liquidity mining with only one type of crypto. With normal liquidity mining, you have 2 assets, let's say BNB and Bitcoin. Because both assets are very volatile, that makes it more risky. With Cake Earn, you can either use Bitcoin or DFI, and you will be rewarded in the same crypto. And currently the APY is at 10%. And I like that you only need one crypto. That makes the barrier of entry a lot lower. And before you always needed 2 cryptos to get the LP token. Alright, I've downloaded the app and let's try it together. Alright, this is what it looks like on a mobile device. And on the top you will find the Earn feature. Once we've clicked on it, we can decide if we either want to use Bitcoin or DFI. I'm gonna use Bitcoin, and the next thing they have integrated I also really love, and that is the volatility protection. And what that means is that you get 1% coverage after every 24 hours that you participate in the Earn product. Let's say you invested 1 Bitcoin and after 100 days you're guaranteed to get at least 1 Bitcoin back. That would be the worst case scenario. And trust me, that's a good deal. I remember with liquidity mining I lost some money because of impermanent loss. And that's something you don't have to worry about with the Earn product if you keep it in for 100 days. Alright, after 3 months I will tell you how it went. I'm looking forward to the results. If you want to try Cake, I put the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.